Vice President of Zimbabwe, retired General Dr. Constantino Dominic Kwanetsa Nicholas Chiwenga, has embarked on a 3-day official tour of Masvingo province to evaluate the advancement of critical development initiatives aligned with the nation's broad economic recovery and growth agenda. Saravenda mashoko anonzi aiwa Chiwenga haasi kumira, ari kufamba nebhora. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa mnangagwaZim. The visit underscores the government's commitment to monitoring on the ground progress in the key sectors such as infrastructure, community service, and mining, which play vital roles in fostering rural development, job creation, and sustainable resource utilization under the Second Republic's devolution and industrialization drive. Today's itinerary highlights progress in community and mining sectors. On the opening day of the tour, Vice President Chiwenga is scheduled to inspect the Mwenezi Multi-Purpose Center, a significant multi-service facility under construction at the Rutenga Growth Point in the Mwenezi district. The $1 million project, which broke ground in late 2024, aims to serve as a centralized hub for smallholder farmers and local communities. It is designed to provide essential services including agricultural support, training, market access, and other socio-economic amenities to boost productivity and livelihoods in the largely rural and arid region. The center represents a key devolution effort to bring government services closer to the people, enhancing food security and economic resilience in the Masvingo province. Accompanying the Vice President throughout the tour is the Minister of State for Masvingo, Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Honorable Ezra Arach Zamira, alongside other senior government officials. Minister Zamira, a prominent figure in the province leadership, will provide detailed briefings on local developments and coordinate engagements to ensure a comprehensive assessment. Ndoma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe tiona kuti aiwa VP Constantino Chiwenga vari kufamba nebhora, havasi kutombomira, vari kuda progress munyika, vada kuti ma-industries, ma-mines aiwa pamwe chete nema-institutions ese akwanise kukura panguva ino achiaccomodata vakwanise kucreata employment, nyika yeZimbabwe iendere mberi. Pana comment section medu dzafungura aim kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.